You may be familiar with the gasoline and diesel that power your vehicle, but where does the fuel originate? Oddly enough, it comes from the same barrel of crude oil that is used to produce your toothbrush. Let's dive into a barrel and see where it all goes. The standard barrel of crude oil contains 42 gallons of crude, which is converted into approximately 45 gallons of petroleum products during the refinery process. Right off the top, 18.9 gallons, or 45% of the standard barrel of crude oil is refined into different grades of gasoline based on their octane rating. The grades are regular, medium, and premium. They are also referred to as unleaded, super, and super premium. Ultra-low sulfur diesel, commonly known as diesel fuel, takes up roughly 10.5 gallons, or 25% of the barrel of crude oil. The sulfur in diesel is leftover impurities from the crude oil after the refining process. Ultra-low sulfur diesel releases little to no harmful emissions during combustion, making it the most popular diesel fuel in today's market. Kerosene and jet fuel take up 3.78 gallons, or 9% of the standard barrel of crude oil. Kerosene is used to fuel boilers, lanterns, cooking ranges, and water heaters. It comes in a variety of grades with different specifications depending on how it will be used. Jet fuel is essentially highly refined kerosene. Various standards in the refining process, due to aircraft design, distinguish general kerosene from jet fuel. Hydrocarbon gas liquids take up 1.68 gallons, or 4% of the barrel. HGLs are utilized as feedstock in the production of different chemicals, plastics, paints, detergents, and synthetic rubbers. HGLs are also utilized as heating, cooking, and transportation fuels, as well as gasoline additives and blending agents for crude oil products. Residual fuels and other distillates and heating oil take up another 1.68 gallons, or 2% each of the barrel. These fuels remain after the distillate fuel oils and lighter HGLs have been separated during refinery operations. They are classified into two major categories, number 5 and number 6. Number 5 is utilized in military steam-powered vessels and inshore power plants. Number 6 is used for space heating, vessel bunkering, and generating electricity. Other products take up about 13% of each standard barrel of crude oil. These products include asphalt, tires, polyester shirts, toothbrushes, plastic dustpans, plastic drinking cups, petroleum jelly, waxes, and lipstick. As you can see, one barrel of crude oil goes a long way. From gasoline to lipstick, crude oil can be found in thousands of products across the globe. Dixon manufactures and supplies a wide variety of products for the energy, oil, and gas industry. Check out the market page on our website for more information. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please contact us at dixonvalve.com. To stay updated on new Dixon resources, be sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.